Estate planning is a fancy term for the process of planning for the disposition of your assets after you die. There are two main ways that assets are transferred after a person dies. The first way is using the probate process, which involves the courts. The second way is planning prior to a person's death to use non-probate transfers. In my opinion, everyone needs to discuss estate planning. You do not have to be rich in order to need an estate plan. Many times I deal with families who do not have a high level of assets, yet they want to make sure that their assets are passed on to the people that they want to receive them when they die. If I do a trust package for a client, that'll include most of the time a revocable trust, a pour-over will, a financial durable power of attorney, a healthcare durable power of attorney with advance directive, and any deeds that need to be drafted in order to transfer real property to their trust. In my opinion, everyone needs a healthcare durable power of attorney. The reason is, if you become disabled or incapacitated and cannot make your own healthcare decisions, it's important that you have named someone to do that for you. We basically have three main areas that we cover whenever I do an estate plan for a client. I try to keep the estate planning process down to 3 meetings. In the first meeting, we'll take 30 to 90 minutes to discuss a couple of main areas. Those main areas are your assets, what you want to happen to your assets, and who you want to name as your power of attorney or agent in your other documents. After this, we will formulate a plan together to accomplish your goals as far as the disposition of your assets. Then when I complete the drafting, you will come back in for another appointment to sign all of your documents, and then at the third meeting I will deliver your documents and we'll explain everything again. We are a small firm, and the main advantage of working with a small firm when it comes to estate planning is I am the only attorney that you will be dealing with throughout the estate planning process. I don't have associates to do this work for me. So if you have a question about what's going on, I'm the only person that you'll deal with, and I'm the only person that you'll talk to. So it kind of cuts out the middleman. I would encourage everyone to reach out to an estate planning attorney to discuss their goals and their needs. Oftentimes, if you try to do this on your own, it can cause more problems for your heirs in the future.